Are you ready?
Hey guys, what's up? This is Jesse. In this tutorial we're gonna try to make the shape of the Microsoft logo. And first what I'm gonna do is create a square, and the next thing I think what I'll do is create the gaps in between it, so kinda like this. And what we want to do is have these on the exact center point, and I'm going to create one more and have this on the exact center point. Okay. And with these two white things, I'm going to group them like that, so there's one piece. Now for the white, for the orange thing, let's go to Effect, Warp, Flag, and you probably want it on horizontal. Let's see here. Yeah, that actually looks pretty close to it. We got a little problem down here, it appears, and up here. Um, we can manually edit that out. Um, I'm not going to try to get it exact. Um, but it also looks like it warps kind of down here too. So okay, let's just do this. And for the plus symbol, we can just make it bigger. Okay. And what I'm going to do is divide it like this. And then I'm going to go to Object, Expand Appearance. Okay. And we have a kind of a funny looking thing. This doesn't actually look right. So let's try that once more. Effect, Warp, Flag. Let's see. Yeah, that actually looks correct, like that. So I'm going to go to Object, Expand, and I'm going to make sure I expand this piece too. Okay, and let's divide those, and there we go. So I'm going to hold Control Shift and press G to ungroup it. And for the colors, you can just grab your little eye pointer here. Let's do a little gradient on these since that's how they look. So I'll click this, add a gradient, and for this piece, I'll just grab the furthest right corner. I guess I'm gonna have to do it like this, and then the furthest bottom corner, and then we can just drag these down here and here. And this is a linear. Oh, it looks kind of radial, so I guess we'll uh, reverse those colors and yeah, that looks pretty close. For the green, let's just grab the corner piece, grab that color, and the inner piece, grab that color, and we'll just apply the same gradient but with different colors. And let's grab the corner piece there and the corner piece here, and same thing. We only got to do it one more time. And for the blue piece, we got a really light blue there, it's almost white, and a really dark blue here. Okay, now time to fix up the gradient. Whoops. This should go kind of up here, and the circle's a little bigger. And for this one, it's kind of up here, like that. And whoops. Okay. So the colors aren't really perfect. No big deal. We can add a drop shadow to make the pieces look better, but it looks like they're a little closer together. So I'm just going to move these 2 pixels together. And if I put this over here and kind of tilt it, and you know, it doesn't have to be perfect, but that's pretty close. And yeah, the circle would just be a circle little gradient thingy. So I just grab the circle tool, okay, send it to the back, and just like we did before, we'll grab the brightest color and probably the darkest color, we can pop on a little gradient here. And the direction is kind of like from the bottom up. And it looks like it has a circle up here which fades, so I'll copy Control F and make this white, and it's a little smaller. And then we'll do a gradient fade. Let's try to, there we go. Okay, we want it kind of like that. Let me get the white in here. Well, that's a little bright. Okay. I'm going to group these with Control G. Pop this in the middle. Now, I mean, if we're honest, this doesn't look exactly like it, but just a little rundown. Then you could go to Effect, Stylize, Drop Shadow, and let's see what that does. I mean, you know, mess around with it. But I'm not going to put this one up on the website because it's a Microsoft kind of logo. Well, I think that's enough for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.